with more than 6,000 companies listed at the BSE, perhaps the largest in the world, with more than 1,000 scripts being traded on regular basis. I think BSE is the biggest catalyst to connect entrepreneurs with the investors, and perhaps it is the catalyst for the growth of the Indian economy. The transparent sharing of the pricing movement and the other notifications being shared by BSE with the investors has provided a platform whereby even the small investors can also protect their interest and they can do the wealth accumulation. I believe BSE has contributed in more than one ways in creating and maintaining the wealth of the investors. Investors coming out from the different creed and community and from the different generations, really the number of investors have grown across the country. I believe India has a good future, and BSE is definitely providing a platform by virtue of which we all can participate in the wealth accumulation in the country. As of now, the scenario is slightly tricky because the entire economic movement is happening based upon the Chinese movement. I just wish if China can really come out of its shells and we could get a transparent information just the way BSE has been providing about all the companies that are listed on it. I think the future is pretty bright for the industry, for the trade, and for the BSE. Well, the best part of BSE, which as an investor, as an individual, I like the most is the dematerialization of the stocks, which has really bring the transparency in the entire movement. The investors are assured of the deliveries. The investors are assured of there being no cheating by the not so good characters, and that has really helped bringing transparency. Even the government is also able to mobilize decent amount of the taxation. I believe the dematerialization has really helped us a lot. The screens of the BSE, as we normally access on the bseindia.com, are very user friendly. I just wish if the BSE prices could also be linked with the other platforms, just the way some of the other websites are doing it. Also, the basic information about the companies are available on the BSE website, but I wish if they can also have the catchwords just the way Google does it, so that the investor can get the entire information in a single go. BSE has a long way to go. So far it has really helped the Indian economy grow.